Specialty Vehicle Engineering is back with not one but two new Yenko/SC Silverado models for 2022. They'll be in short supply, too, but not because of the ongoing chip shortage, at least not directly. SVE will only build 50 of each Yenko truck. One receives a lowered suspension for a street look, while the other gets a beefy suspension lift to tackle off-road courses. The 2022 Yenko/SC Silverado Off-Road and 2022 Yenko/SC Silverado pack a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that produces 850 horsepower, 633 kilowatts, and 800 pound-feet, 1,084 newton-meters of torque. The engine receives forged aluminum pistons, a forged twisted steel crankshaft, and CNC-ported cylinder heads. Custom stainless steel headers and high-flow cats are included, as is a heavy-duty transmission upgrade. The Yenko Off-Road gets a 4-inch front and rear suspension lift, while the other model is lowered 5 inches at the rear and 2 at the front. Their visual upgrades further differentiate the two. The Yenko Silverado receives side stripes, while the Yenko Off-Road gets an aggressive rear quarter panel graphic and unique wheels. Both trucks sport custom 850 horsepower badges on the hood insert and tailgate. Inside, SVE offers the trucks an optional leather seat trim package that's available with one of 7 color inserts. Customers can also choose the accent stitching color. The SICK logo is embroidered on the headrests, while the Yenko crests are embroidered on the seat backs. The off-road Yenko is available on the 2022 Crew and Double Cab Silverado pickups. The lowered Yenko Silverado is available on the Crew and Double Cab LT, RST, LTX, and High Country trim. Both upgrades work with either the short or standard bed length, and both trucks come with 3-year/36,000 limited warranties for the heavy-duty automatic gearbox and the supercharger and engine assembly. The trucks are available from GM dealers nationwide.